You've been wasting money on overpriced gadgets, and you don't even know it. Right now on Amazon, there are products under $30 that are quietly solving problems you've been putting up with for years. Cleaner desks, smarter kitchens, better sleep, less effort everywhere. I found 17 of them, and once you see what they do, you're gonna wonder how you ever lived without them. Welcome back to TechTide, where we cut through the noise and find the tech that actually matters. Let's go. Invisible wireless charger? This hidden wireless charger makes desks look like they were designed by someone who hates mess. Mount it beneath wood, marble, glass, or granite, set your phone on top, and it charges invisibly. No cables, no clutter, no explanation needed. It feels like a magic trick you never have to perform twice. Magnetic door stopper. Doors slamming at the worst possible moment stop being a problem the second this mechanical door stop hits the floor. Press it down, locked. Tap again, released. Zinc alloy construction holds firm against drafts. Adhesive installation skips the drill, and adjustable sizing fits almost any gap. Small fix, massive relief. Smart indoor door lock. 5 ways in, 0 keys required. This smart door lock replaces fumbling in the dark with fingerprint access under a second, a pin, a phone app, a key card, or a physical key if old habits die hard. It auto locks after the door closes and lets you track entry activity or share access from the app. Most standard doors, no drilling. Toothbrush Holder 2.0. If you've ever thought about what's living on your toothbrush right now, this wall-mounted holder is the answer you didn't know you needed. A motion sensor lid opens when you reach for your brush, seals it shut after. UV sanitizing runs automatically between uses, and warm airflow dries bristles completely. Fits electric brushes, kids' brushes, and razors. No drilling required. Foldable, portable washing machine? A washing machine that folds flat and disappears. That's not science fiction anymore. This foldable silicone washer expands to a full 20-liter tub, handles quick rinses or serious cleaning, then collapses into nothing for storage. Apartments, dorms, camping, travel, it solves laundry without demanding permanent square footage. LED bathroom faucet. Your faucet now tells you what temperature the water is before you touch it. This LED fixture changes color, cold, warm, hot, the moment water flows. A pull-out rotating sprayer adds reach, multiple flow modes switch in seconds, and the whole thing makes your sink look like it belongs in a much more expensive kitchen. Portable blender. A blender that fits in a bag and makes a full serving in seconds. This portable machine runs on one button, cleans fast, and goes wherever you go. Morning smoothies, post-gym shakes, office lunches. It doesn't need a kitchen. It just needs you. FrostJoy heated ice cream scooper. Rock-solid ice cream has met its match. This heated scoop warms the moment you hold it, gliding through frozen desserts without force or bending. A built-in display shows temperature and battery life. Rechargeable, waterproof. Serving dessert is no longer a workout. Dreamfarm Corpeel corn peeler. Corn on the cob just became a 5-second task. This peeler's curved blade glides along the cob and sends kernels through a built-in chute directly into one spot. No scatter, no mess, no wasted produce. Tedious kitchen task eliminated. NIRAPH microwave bowl holder. Hot dishes from the microwave used to mean burned fingers. These heat-resistant bowl holders give you a firm, comfortable grip every time, protecting your hands and your surfaces simultaneously. Lightweight, reusable, washable, simple upgrade, immediate payoff. Bathroom Drain Hair Catcher. Hair in the drain is inevitable. Dealing with the clog doesn't have to be. These disposable mesh drain stickers catch everything. Hair, debris, while water flows freely through. Stick one down, peel it off when full, replace in seconds. Works on sinks, showers, and tubs. No more digging. Ecozy Nugget Ice Maker. Nugget ice? The soft, chewable kind you only used to get at certain restaurants, now lives on your counter. This smart ice maker produces it on demand, dispenses automatically without scooping, responds to your phone or voice, and cleans itself. Fresh ice whenever you want it. No effort attached. Foldable roll-up dish drying rack? Counter space is precious. This oversinked drying rack rolls out over the basin, handles plates, pots, and pans on silicone-coated steel, then rolls back up when you're done. Heat-resistant, space-saving, your kitchen keeps its dignity. Dyson Purifier Fan. Stale indoor air is a slow, invisible problem. This purifying fan circulates and filters simultaneously. HEPA system traps dust, pollen, and allergens, multiple speeds, quiet night mode, oscillation for full room coverage, and a remote that stores inside the unit. Cleaner air, less effort. Joseph Laundry Basket. Laundry sorted before it even starts. This 3-compartment hamper separates lights, darks, and delicates as you go. Each removable bag has handles for carrying straight to the washer, a base handle for emptying, and a lid that keeps things contained. Laundry day just lost most of its chaos. The Joybos automatic trash can. Touching a trash can lid is one of those small daily compromises nobody talks about. This smart bin ends it. Wave your hand, the lid opens, it closes gently on its own. Odors stay contained. Manual override still available. Hygiene finally on your side. Heysong Bluetooth speaker. Waterproof, wireless, surprisingly loud. This Bluetooth speaker clips anywhere, sounds clear near water, and pulses colorful light in sync with music. Shower, poolside, outdoors, wherever the moment calls for a soundtrack. Smart Tower Soap Dispenser. Soap dispensers with buttons collect exactly what you're trying to wash off. This touchless model releases the exact amount with a wave. Adjustable output, large refillable tank, rechargeable battery that lasts months, waterproof housing. One logical upgrade. Feppo Towel Warmer. Stepping out of a cold shower into a cold towel is a very specific kind of disappointment. This towel warmer eliminates it. Fits robes and blankets alongside towels, distributes heat evenly, adds optional aromatherapy, and includes a timer with auto shutoff. Comfort scheduled. Intelligent LED smart lamp. Your nightstand has been doing too little. This smart lamp charges your phone wirelessly, plays music through a Bluetooth speaker, runs an alarm clock, produces white noise for sleep, and shifts through 13 lighting colors. One device. Half the clutter gone. BRUNO Portable Dryer. No dryer? No problem. This mini clothes dryer handles 6 to 10 lightweight items, runs at 36 decibels, quiet enough for nighttime, includes global voltage support, and packs into luggage without drama. Clean clothes anywhere on Earth. EcoElectronix electric stapler. Stapling 25 sheets by hand was already the most thankless desk task. This electric stapler does it automatically. Slide paper in, it fires. Jam resistant, placement adjustable, battery or plug-in powered, and loaded with staples out of the box. Done. Wilton Cookie Press. Cookie decorating went from messy gamble to controlled precision. Load the dough, squeeze the trigger. Evenly shaped, consistently sized cookies in seconds. A clear barrel shows dough levels, multiple design discs switch between shapes, and the grip holds steady through holiday marathon sessions. Honey Can Do bamboo cereal dispenser? Cereal boxes on the counter look like chaos. This countertop dispenser, bamboo finish, measured portions, twist knob, removable crumb tray, holds cereal, granola, coffee beans, or dry snacks, and makes breakfast feel like something you planned. That's a wrap on 25 gadgets that cost next to nothing and fix almost everything. No gimmicks, no junk, just stuff that actually works and makes daily life noticeably better. If even one of these hit different for you, drop it in the comments. I read every single one. And if you haven't subscribed yet, you're genuinely missing out. We drop new finds every week, and this list only gets better. Hit subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you in the next one on TechTide.